Hey, they're all viewers. Welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports channel's video. Is celery juice healthy? What are the health benefits of celery? Celery juice is rich in nutrients, and drinking it may come with many health benefits. Some people think that it can cure conditions like cancer, obesity, thyroid issues, and acne, although research is scarce. As such, you may wonder which claims are dubious and which are backed by science. In today's video I will tell you all what you need to know about celery juice, including its nutrients, health benefits, some side effects, how to make celery juice, and who should drink celery juice. Please, watch from the beginning till the end. Let's start. Number 1. Nutrition facts. Because most of its plant fiber has been removed, celery juice packs more nutrients per serving than raw celery stalks. However, based on the Food Data Central research results of the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, 100 grams serving of raw celery, which is equivalent to a small glass of its juice, contains the following nutrients: energy, 14 calories, water, 95.43 grams, protein, 0.69 grams equal 1% of the daily value, carbohydrates, 2.97 grams equal 1% of the daily value, and dietary fiber, 1.6 grams equals 6% of the daily value. For other vitamins like vitamin K, phylloquinin, contain 29.3 microgram equal 24% of the daily value. Folate, B9, 36 microgram equal 9% of the daily value. Pantothenic acid, B5, 0.246 milligrams equal 5% of the daily value. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, 0.074 milligrams equal 4% of the daily value. Riboflavin, B2, 0.057 milligrams equal 4% of the daily value. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, 3.1 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value. Vitamin A, Ray, 22 microgram equal 2% of the daily value. Niacin, B3, 0.32 milligrams equal 2% of the daily value. Vitamin E, alpha tocopherol, 0.27 milligrams equal 2% of the daily value. Thiamine, B1, 0.021 milligrams equal 2% of the daily value. Choline, less than 2% of the daily value. Moreover, the minerals in garlic such as potassium, 260 milligrams equals 6% of the daily value. Manganese, 0.103 milligrams equal 4% of the daily value. Copper, 0.035 milligrams equal 4% of the daily value. Calcium, 40 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value. Magnesium, 11 milligrams equal 3% of the daily value. Phosphorus, 24 milligrams equal 2% of the daily value. But iron, zinc, and selenium are contained minerals less than 2% of the daily value. Number 2. Celery juice health benefits. Celery juice may provide several benefits when consumed as a part of a healthy diet as the following. 1. Hydrating. Celery juice consists mostly of water and may help you stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is vital for your body, but many people don't get enough water per day. Proper hydration helps manage blood pressure, body temperature, brain function, nutrient delivery, waste excretion, and kidney health. 2. Low in sugar. Celery juice is a healthier option than sugary beverages. A single cup, 240 ml, provides just 5 grams of naturally occurring sugar. Meanwhile, sugar-sweetened beverages like soda, energy drinks, and specialty coffees account for up to 50% of added sugar in the U.S. diet. Depending on how much you drink, these beverages can easily add an extra 500 calories to your daily intake. Choosing low-sugar beverages like celery juice may cut down your overall sugar and calorie intake. 3. Relief inflammation. An anti-inflammatory diet is an important part of fighting diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. Certain phytochemicals extracted from celery have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that these chemicals disrupt the body's immune response, which eases inflammation. Antioxidant-rich diets are linked to lower rates of chronic ailments, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and certain cancers. They may also boost skin health. 4. Prevent cancer. Antioxidants may help protect your cells against molecules called free radicals, which play a role in heart disease, cancer, and the aging process. A recent study found that several compounds in celery leaves and seeds act as powerful antioxidants in the body. These compounds include caffeic acid, ferric acid, tannin, and saponin. Enjoying celery, either raw or as a juice, can help you get enough of these compounds and lower your chances of cancer. And 5. Celery may improve sex life. Celery does not only help fight cancer cell formation, but also aids in one's sex life. The plant contains androstenol and androstenone, two pheromones that may enhance arousal levels. The best way to get these pheromones is to chew the raw stalk or blend it to become celery juice. Well, if you further more clear evidence based of the 5 health benefits above, please check out each previous video in our channel. Now, let's go on. Number 3. Celery juice improves gut health. Celery juice may affect the gut in several ways, as the following. 1. Celery juice contains beneficial plant compounds. Celery juice contains luteolin and pyrroloquinoline quinine, PQQ, two plant compounds thought to reduce inflammation in your gut. Luteolin is also found in many fruits and vegetables like broccoli, peppers, and spinach. Other pyrroloquinoline quinine-rich foods include green tea, papaya, and tofu. One 12-week study in mice fed a high-fat diet found that mice that received probiotic fermented celery juice had a healthier variety of gut bacteria. However, fermented celery juice differs from freshly made juice, as it's infused with gut-healthy bacteria. Fermented or fresh, there's not enough evidence on luteolin, pyrroloquinoline quinine, or other compounds found in celery juice to determine how they may affect the gut. Ultimately, research including humans is needed before making definitive conclusions. 2. Unstrained juice provides fiber. It's worth considering how the celery juice you drink is made. Usually, fiber is strained out of it. Because fiber is key to a healthy gut, strained juice is less beneficial to your digestive health. So, to reap the most gut health benefits, it may be the best to not strain your juice. 3. Helps in digestion and weight loss. Celery is packed with high levels of water with insoluble fiber which aids in bowel movement and weight loss, having only 10 calories. This plant also has cleansing properties that help in the body's detoxification. And the 4. Not ideal for everyone. Unfortunately, some people with sensitive digestive systems, such as those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, may not tolerate celery juice. This is due to its high content of fermentable starches, also known as fermentable oligodimonosaccharides and polyols, FODMAPs. These can cause bloating and discomfort when digested. If you experience digestive side effects after drinking celery juice, it's likely best to avoid it. You may consider consulting a healthcare professional to investigate if there could be a digestive condition like irritable bowel syndrome behind your symptoms. Number 4. Celery juice side effects. Though celery juice can be nutritious, it carries a handful of downsides to consider as the 2 main findings. 1. Celery juice contains sodium. 1 cup, 240 ml, of celery juice contains around 215 milligrams of sodium. Most healthy adults should limit their daily sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams. A glass or 2 of celery juice can contribute noticeably to this total, so it's worth keeping in mind. This holds especially true if you're considering following the celery juice diet, which recommends a large amount of juice each day. In particular, people on salt-restricted diets may wish to avoid, or at least limit, celery juice. And 2. Low in fiber. Most celery juice is strained to remove its fiber. Though straining may result in more vitamins per cup, 240 ml, fiber is a healthy nutrient that helps keep you full. Without it, your body digests the juice quickly, which can make you feel hungry soon after drinking it. Replacing a nutritious, fiber-rich breakfast with celery juice may leave you hungry and cause you to eat more calories later in the day. Additionally, fiber is associated with many health benefits, such as weight maintenance, gut health, and reduced cholesterol and blood sugar levels. If you want to bump up your fiber intake, you can also opt for fresh celery sticks. For further information about healthy breakfast for effective weight loss and high fiber food for weight loss, please check out our previous recently videos within this channel. Number 5. Who should drink celery juice? Celery juice can be a great refreshing drink to enjoy in moderation as part of a healthy diet. Feel free to enjoy it with a balanced meal or as part of a snack if you enjoy it. It's best to drink it without straining to get more fiber. However, based on the evidence, detox cleanses are not advisable. They may be linked to nutritional deficiencies and disordered eating. Those with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome or other conditions may want to steer clear of celery juice as it contains a type of starch that ferments in the gut and can cause digestive upset, bloating, and discomfort. Plus, those with heart disease or high blood pressure should keep its sodium content in mind, especially if they have been advised to follow a low-sodium diet. People who are pregnant, especially those in early pregnancy, should avoid celery juice. There are speculations that the drink could cause uterine contractions that may lead to miscarriage, although more research is needed in this area. Lastly, people taking certain medications should avoid celery juice. These medications include sedatives, medications for thyroid function, and those that control bleeding, clotting, or blood pressure. Now, go to the celery juice recipe. 6. How to make celery juice. If you want to add celery juice to your diet, it's simple to make at home. Using a juicer is the easiest way to make it. Simply wash 3 to 4 celery stalks and run them through the juicer. If preferred, enjoy with ice cubes. If you don't have a juicer, cut 3 to 4 washed celery stalks and blend them until smooth. Place a strainer or mesh cloth over a wide-rimmed jug, pour the liquid into the strainer, and press down to extract all the juice. You may also keep some fiber in the drink. For a bit of zest and flavor, try adding green apples, fresh ginger, cucumber, fresh mint, or lemon juice. You can also buy celery juice from many grocery stores. Try to avoid those with added sugar or flavorings. It's best to drink this juice with a meal full of fiber, healthy fats, and protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now, everyone can enjoy this healthy juice together. Summary: celery juice is low in sugar and contains potassium and vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. This popular drink may reduce inflammation and boost hydration, among other benefits. However, you shouldn't use celery juice to detox your body, as cleanses put you at risk of dangerous calorie restriction and nutrient deficiencies. Furthermore, claims that this juice heals certain diseases are unfounded and not backed by science. If you're interested in celery juice, be sure to drink it as part of a balanced diet. For extra health benefits, try drinking it without straining, if first to reap the gut-friendly perks of fiber. People with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, those who are pregnant, and individuals taking certain medications should consult with a healthcare professional before adding celery juice to their regular morning ritual. That's all now. Please, try this today. If celery juice is something you'd like to try, make a cup for yourself at home using the recipe above. If you want to retain some fiber, you can add back in some of what you strain out. Garnish with a celery stick. Please, hit the like, share, and subscribe to my channel with turning on ring the notification bell below if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning till end. Stay healthy, eat healthy, be healthy.